SARS-CoV-2, the virus that leads to coronavirus disease 19, COVID-19, has spread rapidly from the first known cases in China in December 2019 to countries around the world. On March 10, 2020, the World Health Organization (WHO) reported that there were 113,702 confirmed cases of COVID-19 around the world, plus 4,012 deaths. In response to this global health crisis, researchers are working on developing a coronavirus vaccine as soon as possible. Learn more about vaccine development and the possible timeline in this article. Development research into a coronavirus vaccine is ongoing. Researchers striving to develop a coronavirus vaccine are working with different approaches, including whole virus vaccine, recombinant protein subunit vaccine, antibody vaccine, nucleic acid vaccine. The sections below will discuss these approaches in more detail. Whole virus vaccine. Whole virus vaccines use weakened or dead forms of the virus that causes the disease. They can be effective at providing immunity in the long run, but there is a risk that some people could develop symptoms of the illness due to the vaccination. Reports state that Johnson & Johnson, Codagenix, and researchers at the University of Hong Kong are working on this kind of vaccine. Recombinant protein subunit vaccine. Recombinant protein subunit vaccines do not carry the risk of causing an infection in people who receive them, because they do not contain any live pathogens. Researchers are investigating whether or not they can make a recombinant protein subunit vaccine that targets a protein called spike S protein. The new coronavirus uses the S protein to attach to and infect cells. Novavax, Clover Biopharmaceuticals, the University of Queensland, and a consortium led by Texas Children's Hospital for Vaccine Development are using this approach to develop a coronavirus vaccine. Antibody vaccine. Other researchers are investigating whether or not they can create a vaccine using antibodies from the SARS outbreak that began in 2002. SARS has many similarities to COVID-19, as they are caused by related coronaviruses. So far, scientists have shown that the antibodies that neutralize the SARS-causing virus can also limit how well the new coronavirus infects cells in laboratory studies. Read more about the development of an antibody vaccine here. Nucleic acid vaccine. Nucleic acid vaccines inject genetic material, such as DNA or RNA, into a live host. The cells that contain the new nucleic acid then make the proteins that were encoded in the DNA or RNA, which they present to the immune system. Although the process is complex, nucleic acid vaccines enable the immune system to fight off particular pathogens. Using nucleic acids such as DNA or RNA to deliver immunity is a promising approach, but to date, it is a technique only available in veterinary medicine. However, researchers say that 3 companies are looking to develop a coronavirus vaccine using this approach: Inovio Pharmaceuticals, Moderna Therapeutics, and CureVac. When will it be ready? Projections for how long it will take to develop a coronavirus vaccine vary widely, depending on whether the person making the projection is a scientist, politician, or businessperson. Politicians and manufacturers alike have implied that a coronavirus vaccine could be available within months. However, based on their knowledge and experience, scientists say that developing a coronavirus vaccine could take at least a year. Might not be possible during the current outbreak, could take 12 to 18 months. If the timeline for the production and distribution of a coronavirus vaccine seems long, that is because there are many steps in place to ensure that it is safe and effective. Specifically, once researchers create a potential vaccine, prospective producers must submit an investigational new drug application to the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) that describes the product, the manufacturing process, and its effectiveness in animal testing.